Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the ELGATO CAM LINK 4K and I'm going to tell you how you can easily manage your prompter through the hotkeys. So, as you can see, now we are in our application, which is called ELGATO Camera Hub, and we have to click this gear icon in the top right corner here. The third option you can see is control prompter script with hotkeys. And as you can see, we can check it to enable and check it to disable, and our hotkeys are play and pause, Windows Ctrl Alt P, macOS Ctrl Command P. Next chapter, Windows Ctrl Alt Page down, previous chapter Ctrl Alt Page up. As you can see, we have here a lot of information about this, so don't worry, you won't get lost. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let us know what do you think about this video, and goodbye.